Hi, welcome to today's video, which will be about my process of downloading a custom ROM onto my phone. If you're new here, my channel is about product development within the electronic, computer, and mechanical space, encouraging inexperienced tech users and makers to complete projects independently. If you have been enjoying, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button for a continuous reminder of an upload. One of the custom ROMs that I was trying to install is the LineageOS. LineageOS is a free and open source operating systems for various devices based on the Android mobile platform. If you visit their website, you will see the list of devices that you can install this custom ROM onto. This was my first initial choice because I wanted a different operating system, but I was having trouble trying to download this software onto my cell phone. It may be because I upgraded the phone to Android 15 and the web page does mention it needs to have Android 14, so I don't know if that was causing the issue. But essentially, I wasn't able to get to the recovery page to proceed to the next steps of downloading LineageOS as the custom ROM. With that said, I ended up switching to GrapheneOS. In order to download LineageOS onto your phone, you definitely have to utilize the command line. And if you needed some videos to watch in addition to some of my content, definitely check out Explaining Android on how to install LineageOS 21 on your Google Pixel, and also check out Steven 4127 how to install ADB and Google USB drivers. Those contents definitely give some expertise on or knowledge on how to download some of that software onto your computer as well as your phone so that you can get that custom ROM onto your cell phone. GrapheneOS is a privacy and security focused mobile operating system with Android app capability developed as a non-profit open source project. According to its website, it's focused on the research and development of privacy and security technology, including substantial improvements to sandboxing, exploitative mitigations, and the permission model. GrapheneOS has two methods of installation. They have both the web USB based installer as well as the command line installation guide. Because I was struggling with LineageOS, I just went ahead and utilized the web USB based installer to install GrapheneOS. And with that, it's pretty simple to begin the installation process. If you need more instructional video, I would recommend watching Digital Independent, his installation of GrapheneOS, as well as he has another video where there's more features that you can do to optimize your installation of GrapheneOS. After you have completely downloaded GrapheneOS, you definitely want to make sure that the boot key matches on your phone with what they have on the web page. So just make sure that matches, otherwise you'll need to re-download it so that you don't have a faulty GrapheneOS on your phone. If you're interested in more downloads of applications on your phone, there are things you can do on GrapheneOS, such as there is a Crescent, which is a private and secure Android app store, which is built with modern features in mind. It aims to provide a developer-friendly platform and pleasant user experience while enforcing modern security and privacy practices. With that, I was able to download that app onto the phone. I also looked into the Arc icons and then the Arc Material U, which kind of allows you to play around with the icons on your phone and have a different look. If you want to become more festive for the holiday spirits and things of that nature, I looked into the Doodle Live wallpaper, which allows for you to have different color schemes and wallpapers for your phone. So definitely check that out if you want more backgrounds within your phone besides the black and white default that GrapheneOS provides. Thank you for joining me on today's Vlogmas for installing LineageOS and GrapheneOS onto your phone with some added Christmas colored themed wallpaper. Please write a comment below about which custom operating system you would try.